Doing today. Today we are going into drawing gradually. It's a gradual process. But our drawing today is symbols. I need to teach you guys symbols because these are the things we are going to need when we start drawing door and window symbols. Symbols. At first, we have. I will try and jot down types of door that we have. We have archway. We have single swing. We have double swing. We have bifold. I will draw everything for you guys. Bifold. We have revolving. We have revolving. Window. We have eye level window, and we have normal window. So I'll try and use a freehand sketch today. Freehand sketch. I'll also use. Okay, let me use normal drawing. Let's start with archway. This is archway symbol. Your construction line comes first. Like I always told you guys, construction line. That's archway symbol. This is archway symbol. What you need here is the result, not how I'm doing it. What you need here is the result, not how I'm doing it. So this is an archway. This is a continual wall. This is an archway. Double swing door. Double swing door that comes with size. We have that one. We have 1.2, 1.5, and 1.8. It depends. The 1.2 is used in residential, and some 1.5 also used in residential. But the 1.8, church, mosque, is a commercial stuff. It's not a residential stuff, it's commercial stuff. So try as much as to practice this. What I want you to know here is the idea of where you are going to. You can see I didn't explain to you how I'm doing it. I'm just giving you the design details. So this is double swing. This is double swing. This is double swing door. Double swing door. So let's go to single swing door. Single swing door. So this is single swing door. You can see I didn't explain to you dimensions, how I'm doing. I just want you to have an idea of types of door that we have. When we get to the drawings of plan, I will explain everything to you guys. But it's what you can also practice using. I'll teach you guys how to use scale, so you can also practice it yourself at home using scale 1 in. So this is single swing door. This single swing door. From here to here is 1.2. From here to here is 900. This archway you are looking at, it's varied. You can have an archway of 3 meters. You can have an archway of 2 meters, 1 meter. An archway is a space. Like if you want to enter your room now, you enter a lobby. There is an arc, like an opening door like this, round. That's an archway. We also see it in dining. It's an archway. We also see it in entrance of your terrace. It's an archway. It's an archway. So going into bifold. Bifold door. This means, this I'm doing means continue. When something continue, what is a war? It continue. So the bifold. Something like this. These symbols are plan symbols. Is what you are seeing from top. Plan. What you are seeing from top is a plan symbol. We are still going to the elevation, how it looks like when you are looking at it opposite. But this is plan diagram. You are looking at it from top. This is how it should look like. I will still go into details for this, but you need to just know this symbol before we proceed. And also revolving. The revolving, I will be more or less of using freehand sketch for the revolving. Sorry, there's a mistake here. I don't have to put any window, any door frame here. Sorry. Revolving. So revolving. These are types of doors we have. Let's go to windows. I said we have high level window and normal window. High level window are windows used in toilets. It's high so that when somebody is passing at the external side, they won't be looking at people bathing. That's why it's called high level window. So an high level window is 600 in width. That means that from here to here is 600. So this is high level window. This is a symbol for high level window. And this is a symbol for normal window. As you can practice this as a freehand sketch, you can practice this as a normal drafting work the way I just do it right now. But just try and practice it and let it stick to your brain, because all these are useful